Hello everyone. I'm here on Spruce Street to show you a two-bedroom apartment in this building, 1225 Spruce. The building is only 2 blocks. The building located between 13 and Carmack Street, only 2 blocks from Broad Street. There are plenty of bars and restaurants in the area, convenient store around the corner, and the place has easy access for a public transit. This is what the outside looks like. I want to go in, and a 3-story building. I want to go in and show you what the inside looks like. Just left this door open. Usually it is closed. Here on my left, as I walk in, is the mailbox. There is a second door to the building. The unit is here, 1F. Just want to show you a place where through this door you go out to the back, where you could go through this door, and the next door you will have a place for trash. Every unit has a trash can, and you put your trash inside one of the cans. Now, after saying this about the common space in the outside, I'm gonna go in. Here you have a grab box for the rent. It's convenient. So I'm walking in.
Before we continue with the video, I wanted to explain what the next clip will be. The kitchen, since this video was taken, has been adjusted a little bit and updated slightly. And this next clip is going to show the kitchen that's been slightly updated. After that clip is over, it'll go back to the original video, which in a lot of the shots will show the older kitchen. And I just want to explain why, this clip is here, an upcoming, why this new clip is going to be seen, and then why you'll continue to see the older kitchen in future clips. But that's why I wanted to explain that before we continue with the video. Thank you for watching.
In the kitchen, you have a refrigerator, upgraded countertop, plenty of cabinet space, as you could see, and you have this nice sink. You do have a cooktop for your cooking. You have additional cabinet space on this side. This is what your kitchen looks like. As I walk in, the first space you see is the living space and the open kitchen. On my left, I have the first bedroom. Over there on my right, I have the second one. The living space has a beautiful brand new floor and very high ceiling. And you have your kitchen here. And this is the space. The unit has a mini split for air and heat. As I walk into the kitchen, you have cabinet space, plenty of cabinet space, upgraded countertop. You have a refrigerator, a gas oven. This is the view from this angle. Next, I would like to show you the first bedroom. This is a smaller one. Have a mini split in here too. And 2 huge windows for a natural light. You'll be looking out the side to Spruce Street. I was there earlier when I show you the outside. This is the space. Here you have a closet. Right. Next is you see the bigger bedroom here in front. On my left you have a brand new bathroom, and in my right, inside this closet, you have stacked up washer and dryer, and some space for storage as well inside this closet. When you go into the bathroom, you have a beautiful tile floor. It's a stall shower, a beautiful tile wall, mirror, nice vanity. You have your toilet there. It's a nice bathroom. You have your exhaust fan there. The last space is your the bigger bedroom. This one is located at the back, so you have this huge window for a natural light. They doing some construction in one of the units, so you have this trash, but you will not see this all the time. The reason why they have it a lot here because they are renovating a new unit, and they are going to get rid of the trash you see through the window. Here is a space from this angle. This unit has a bigger closet as well. Similar to the other one, you have a mini split inside for the heat and air. So I just showed you this beautiful 2-bedroom apartment with a beautiful hardwood floor and a brand new bathroom. I hope you like the video, you like the unit. Thank you for watching. Bye.